Welcome to my course about PySimpleGUI. I am Charles, and I will be your teacher. Allow me to do a short self-introduction. I was the 2 times Canadian math champion for the Caribou competition, and I'm deeply involved in data sciences such as web crawlers, data mining, and data visualization. I also contributed meaningful code to open source communities such as GitHub. Recently, I also put in work for the Work for Tuition model research, such as specifically the front-end development. Now, let's look at the course outline. During the course, you will learn how to add text elements, input boxes, buttons, drop-down menus, and many other common widgets to your screen using PySimpleGUI. There will also be a few projects, such as an interactable traffic light and a basic calculator. This might sound like a lot, a little more than 50 videos, but don't worry, PySimpleGUI is the easiest interface designing library out there. After you graduate this course, you will know how to build your own window and add widgets from your imagination. The ideal learner is someone who wants to learn interface designing fast and easy. You only need entry-level experience for any programming language to understand the lessons. That's just how easy it is. You might be overwhelmed when you first see the numbers of lessons I have, but don't get stressed out. Take your time and enjoy everything. If you don't understand something, just rewatch that video. If you're still interested in learning, I will look forward to seeing you in the course.